Hello friends, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video we're just going to be doing some cleaning of the house, some dishes, some laundry, you know, just the usual. Also I'm going to be showing you my cute little doggy, and yeah, so let's just get on into the cleaning. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but as you can see, I got a new faucet. Last weekend, my faucet decided to break and leak all over the kitchen floor. I guess that's the beauty of owning your own house, but I love my new faucet. We eventually were going to upgrade anyways, so I'm just glad that we did it now. I mean, yeah, I don't like the fact that it broke, but I guess it was just an excuse to get a new one, so. But it's really nice, and it makes washing the dishes so much easier than the old one.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why?
Yeah, I'm sorry you guys, I didn't realize that my head was cut off in like most of these clips. I'm still learning how to do the, you know, positioning of the camera, make sure you can see everything. So I'm sorry that you only saw the bottom half of my face. So I'm learning. Just be patient, please.
Charming to me. I just need this to be intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
Okay guys, so I thought I'd just share this with you. So this blue basket here, I guess that's as far as it zooms. I wanted to use this underneath my sink here. I just have a few things here under the sink, like soap and dishwasher things. And I just wanted to put it in this basket so that it's just a nice place to have all these things, you know, with my cleaning stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry and do that. By the way, I got this at the dollar store. They do have different colors. There's like green and pink. They didn't have any white or black ones, so I just grabbed this blue one. Yeah, so I just thought I would share that with you, just in case you were wondering about it. So yeah.
darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the radiate, radiate, radiate. Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate. Innovate, innovate, innovate. Move like the sunlight.
Well, I didn't end up pushing record, but I did make my bed. So frustrating, but yes, here is my made bed. I really wish I would have caught it on camera, but I forgot to record it. Yay! I would totally show you my face, but I look like a hot mess today, so instead I will show you my doggy. This is Diego. He is what we call a Chiweenie. Just thought I'd let you know. He is a Chihuahua Dachshund mix. So he's got some wiener dog and some Chihuahua in him. And he's very old. But yeah. So there's my made bed. Sorry guys. So if any of you were wondering about this clothes hanger thing, I did get that at Walmart like 2 years ago. I really like it. It folds up and, you know, I can tuck it in a corner. and you know, it doesn't take up a lot of room. So I just wanted to let you know, just in case you were wondering.
Give myself another day. Every day I decide if we'll ever see the sign. I ignored all the lines showing me eternal light. Showing me eternal light.
Oh, and by the way, the reason why the lighting has changed is because this is many hours later from the clips when I was cleaning the kitchen, so it is dark outside. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!